this gal was talking to this guy. They've been dating for a while. And the girl goes, "You only talk about boats." And he goes, "What do you want me to talk about then?" She goes, "Talk to me about your feelings." And he goes, "I really love boats." She asked, okay. Guy sitting with his wife on the couch. He was kind of down. And he goes, "For the last 28 years, all you've done is find mistakes in anything I say." And she goes, 29 years. Okay, what is the loneliest bayou in Louisiana? By yourself. It gets pretty lonely by yourself. Later.